I'm Jeff, and I'm so excited you're here today. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. So, let's learn about the letter of the day. Today's letter is A. Do you remember what the letter A looks like? It looks like this. This is a big or capital A. And this is a little or lowercase a. Do you know what sounds this letter A makes? Well, one sound it makes is the A sound. Can you make that sound with me? Let's do it a few times. Just try to do what I do. A, 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 A. There you go. Now, let's make that sound, only let's hold the sound out for a little longer, like this. A. Ready? Do this with me too. A. And again. A. One more time. A. Great. So, what sound does this letter A make? A is right. Let's look at this picture. We are going to look at this picture together again, and I want you to listen for the A sound we just learned as I read what items we see. Only one of these things has the A sound. And if it's okay with your caregiver, touch the screen on the item when you hear the A sound. Ready? Here's the picture again. Here is a cake, a door, and a slide. Again, we have a cake, door, slide. Which of these has the A sound? That's right, the cake. Cake. So today, we learned all about the A sound that an A makes. For more practice with this letter, make sure you check out our website linked below. Again, I'm Jeff. Go learn, be kind, and we'll see you next time. Bye.